Good afternoon, student. Today, I will discuss about the foreign trade multiplier. How this foreign trade multiplier impact on our national income. So, one question is asked in 2015 in context of foreign trade multiplier like that. In the context of two countries model, derive foreign trade multiplier and explain its working and what will be its repercussion. 20 marker question is asked in 2015. Let's discuss the answer of this particular questions, and we will try to derive the foreign trade multiplier value on the basis of the equation of injections and leakage in the income stream. So, you see here, this is the figure. Now, we can derive the foreign trade multiplier on the basis of injection and leakage. Injection and leakage of income stream. So, on the basis of income and leakage of income stream, the identities will be, this identities or this equation is known to all, that is investment plus export, which would equal saving plus import. This is the fundamental equation which is known to all on the basis of injections and leakage of income stream in a country. This is the equations. Now, very interestingly, one thing, like these saving functions, basically saving, we take the saving is a linear functions, that is minus C plus marginal propensity to save. Similarly, that import, there must be some autonomous investment plus marginal propensity to invest into income. So, what we understand, basically, when income increases, savings also increases, but the fact is that not at the same rate what the income increases. Similarly, when income increases of a country, the demand for domestic product as well as imported product will rise. Therefore, increased income will induce to increase saving as well as import also. That is why we can say there is, if there is change in export, that is, if there is change in export, there will be change in investment, that must be equate with the change in saving plus change in investment. So, now this change in saving is what? That is, at what rate saving increases due to the increase in income. That is why we can write the change in saving, that is the marginal propensity to save, or you can say the rate of saving out of income, or slope of the savings curve. It is basically slope of the savings curve. So, this is how into to tell change in income. Similarly, change in import is equal marginal propensity to import into change in income. So, both are indicating how the savings as well as import is influenced by the rise in income. Now, substituting the values of delta M as well as delta S in equation 2, then we will get delta I plus delta x is equal marginal propensity to save into delta y plus marginal propensity to import delta y. By taking common delta I plus delta x, that would equal marginal propensity to save plus marginal propensity to import, and what is we will get, that is delta income, that is change in income. So this is simple manipulations of mathematical manipulation here there. So we can find out the change in income, therefore change in income, that is delta y 1 by MPS plus MPM and delta I plus delta x. So this is the multiplier value, simple, 1 by MPS plus MPM, which is the foreign trade multiplier value. Therefore multiplier value is, this is the foreign trade multiplier value, say FM, that is 1 by MPS plus MPM. This is the multiplier value. If there is any change in export, it will bring about a change in income. And when there is a change in income, there will be obviously change in savings as well as import. So more the value of marginal propensity to save as well as marginal propensity to import, less will be the multiplier value. Again, less will be the value of MPS and MPM, higher will be the multiplier value, foreign multiplier value. Now you can see here, for example, say, for example, we can take one example. Say in this figure, it is obvious that at equilibrium point E, where investment export intersecting saving function and import function at point E, where Y equilibrium income is determined. Now suppose YE is 1000 value, let it be assumed its value is 1000. Now export rises, say export rises, say export rises by say 200, say export rises by 200, that is delta x is 200. Then again say MPS again, and again say MPS is equal 0.25 and MPM is equal 0.15. Say MPS is equal to 0.25 and MPM is 0.15. MPM 0.15. So by adding both, we will get 0.4. So what will be the multiplier value? Therefore obviously here multiplier, foreign multiplier value 1 by 0.4, result is 2.5. Now suppose export is increased by 200. So that is why this export curves shifts upward and intersect at a higher point, that is E, of saving and import functions. So ये saving and import function ऊपर में intersect करेगा. So obviously how much the new income will be generated. So new income, that means we can get the new income, that is delta y. Obviously this is the foreign trade multiplier into 200. So by multiplying the increase in export 200, so we will get 500. So new income, therefore new income 1000, new income. So new income generated now due to the increase in export, how much? 1000 plus 500, so we will get 1500. So here E dash point is 1500 income due to the increase in export. So obviously there will be impact on savings also. So what will be the saving? What will be the change in saving? That is, you will get delta saving 0.25. This is the marginal propensity to save, and change in income is how much? 500. So saving also change by 125. Similarly, input will also be changed. Input 0.15 into 500, so 75. So input is changed by 75 and saving is changed by 125. Therefore, the new income is generated up to the 1500. New income generated by 500. Because of the increase in export, obviously the increase in export, hence income increases. More income or increased income also bring about the change in increase of savings as well as import. So change in, we can say here how the change in increase. So here we will get change in injection is equal change in leakage. In the form of, we can see the change in injection and change in leakage. What is change in injection? Delta I plus delta X, that would equal leakage, that is delta saving change, and import change, delta M. So here in this particular case is a change in amount, that is 200. Now savings is changed by 125. Obviously here again import is changed by 75. Obviously 200 is equal to 200. So this is how foreign trade multiplier can be explained with the aid of injections and leakage of income stream. Thank you.